Hey guys, my name's Jacob here with the CryptoHub. It's been a few days, but we're going to go ahead and get our recap out of the way. So since last time we talked, the market was taking a little dip, and then dipped even farther, came back up, had a little dip, came back down. You know, we got a little double bounce there, and ever since then it's just had a really nice rally all the way up to what I believe is our all-time high. Pretty remarkable when you look at the last 3 months. We've 7x in the last 3 months. Wow. Absolutely incredible. Look at price action the whole. I'm going to go into the top 3 in a second, but we'll just kind of go down everyone else's. Bitcoin Cash kind of moved with the market and then tanked at the end. Cardano has had a nice clean run up. Stellar Lumens, nice clean run up. NEM, clean run up. Litecoin has been doing about as poorly as Bitcoin Cash. IOTA came back up and then it stalled. Dash followed the market pretty well. Neo growing. Monero bounced back down, came back up. Tron has just had a weird run up. EOS coming down, looking like the Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Gold follows Bitcoin Cash. Quantum has been doing well. Rayblocks has been doing fantastic. Ethereum Classic kind of follows Ethereum. Icon, one of my personal favorite coins, has just been doing okay. Specifically today, it's had a fantastic day. BitConnect's kind of all over the place. Lisk has been struggling. BitShares has been going up. There's a lot of great projects have been gaining evaluation. Some other ones of note have been Status and Steam coming out of literally nowhere to enter into our top 26. When we look at Bitcoin specifically, last time we talked, it was around 15. It dipped. Actually, no, we've talked since then. Anyways, it dipped down to 13, came back up to 15, came back down to 12, and then bottomed out at 11. If we look back here, it bottomed out at 12 or so. No, 10.5 I think was the candle there. Then came back up 14, and then found resistance back to 12.7, and then 13 and back down, and then had a great day, bouncing us all the way back up to 15, peaking at 15.4. We're back down at 14.7. I still think Bitcoin has a lot of room to grow. It's been pretty remarkable looking at this growth in the last 3 months or so. I mean, we started out at 4K. Whew, crazy growth. Now Ripple has been just, oh my gosh, what has been happening with Ripple? Honestly, can't even tell. It is market manipulation to its finest degree. December 3rd. 25 cents. I sold right here, December 13th. Did not expect this price action to bring it all the way up to $3 and $124 billion market cap. I mean, just look at this. It couldn't compete with Bitcoin and then just went on this tear. We look over the last year, it peaked right after tax season and then, did nothing the rest of the year. I mean, look at that USD price. It was 34 cents. It hadn't grown in USD for months, and then out of nowhere, just on this ridiculous tear, matching its Bitcoin comparative high. I'm just blown away. Ethereum having another ridiculous run up again, guys. It was all the way down at 460 December 5th, and had little peaks, little valleys, and whatnot. But when we look in the last 7 days specifically, we've gotten $200 in USD valuation. With Bitcoin kind of having this run up, the Bitcoin comparative hasn't been, remarkably great, but it's grown a lot since December 7th. We are probably back to, October 28th in terms of the Ethereum Bitcoin comparative. Overall though, guys, I mean, we have a pretty good amount of volume. Market cap for Bitcoin dominance is astoundingly low. We look at all time, well, at least since 2013. We've been doing fine. Obviously, this little correction there doesn't mean anything outside of just the fact the market needed to slow down. But overall, guys, I think we have a lot of room to grow. I personally will do a prediction video in just a second and cover what I think will happen in 2018. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day.